Hi there, welcome to Success Online Australia YouTube channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. In this video, we are going to share with you 5 tips on how search engines can help promote a business. Search engines continuously develop and transpire with recent advancements. Staying on top of the results, marketers should also be keen on details that will either make the business prosper or get sabotaged in the long run. Here's why search engines help promote a business. Number 1. Users' preference. Most internet users purchase products online and conduct their research with the help of search engines such as Google, Bing, Yahoo, etc. Number 2. Keyword relevance. Optimizing your keywords by analyzing the latest trends, it's easier for search engines to categorize your website's relevance in terms of content and keywords. Number 3. Investing to SEO. Understanding SEO will keep your rankings high and displays your web page on search engine results pages if correct processes are followed. Number 4. Total package web. Search engines go for websites that follow their specific guidelines. This will lead to better traffic and more clicks. Number 5. Pulls customers. With SEO strategies, relevant keywords, and visually attractive web design, search engines will likely lead curious customers to your page and thus, increases your sales. To get more SEO videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button, and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you'd like help putting these cool ideas to work in your website, visit us at successonline.com.au. We'd love to help you.